A moral story: salt, glass of water, and the lake. Once, an unhappy young man came to an old master and told he had very sad life and asked for the solution. The old master instructed the unhappy young man to put a hand of salt in a glass of water and then to drink it. "How does it taste?" the master asked. "Terrible," shouted the young man. The master chuckled and then asked the young man to take another handful of salt and put into the lake. The old man said, "Now drink from the lake." As the water dripped down the young man's chin, the master asked, "How does it taste?" "Good," remarked the young man. "Do you taste the salt?" asked the master. "No," said the young man. The master said, "The pain of life is pure salt, no more, no less. The amount of pain in life remains the same, exactly the same. But the amount we taste the pain depends on the container we put it into. So when you are in pain, the only thing you can do is to enlarge your sense of things. Stop being glass of water, become a lake." Moral of story: when there is a problem in life, be calm and concentrate on other good things you have in life, not just concentrate on the problem. So be happy in every field of life and face the problems with great courage. Take care.